Hey, how's everyone doing today? Hope you're loving life and having a beautiful day. Doing a close-up, that's right, close-up of the gold-plated RWB exclusive from the HEC Hobby Expo China. This thing is just a stunner. And we gotta do a little close-up view of this thing here. Apparently there's like one of 300 of these. I gotta double check on that. I've heard someone say there was only 150 of them. Couldn't see on this box if it had anything like it, but let's just check out the box real quick. Pretty cool, actually. Has a little fold-up top here. And from the Hobby Expo China. Pop race there. Do a little translation maybe. Maybe it'll say how many were released if on there. Hot brace on the side. Very, very nice. What we came to check out is a close-up view of this thing for you guys. See what we got here. We can get a little bit of a zoom in, a little bit of action, or we'll do the wide angle. Gonna need a wide screen for this one because we're gonna check out the transporter first. Like I said, first thing, these things are heavy. Like real heavy. I couldn't believe it. So whether didn't know if it was gold plated or if it's just gold paint, I kind of believe it's the gold plated because, well, look at it. First of all, let's just zoom in on this thing. Like, come on. This thing is so nice. And very cool thing about it, it's like all moving parts on this. Pardon me. The back here kind of slides out like a normal transporter. These ones actually fold down. Kind of articulate up. Oops, sorry. It will slide all the way back down like this. Nice. Very cool. I like this set, and like I said, the first thing I noticed is how freaking heavy this thing is, man. Like this, especially this part, this right here. Wow, that's got some weight, like a big belt buckle kind of weight. Like it's heavy stuff. And like you can say, these things here, they're all articulating. Does raise up, down, slide in like a normal one here. Park it on the back, do that, drive it up, do a couple little poses on it maybe. Stuff like that where it's making it up, but still very, very, very cool. Like, I mean, I don't know if this camera's picking it up, just how shiny everything is, but I definitely wanted to say, like, how heavy this thing is. My gosh. This thing, it's got some weight to it, boys and girls. Like, seriously. Got some total weight to this thing. That's here. Let's put this one on here. Do a little show of this one here real quick just on its own because it's deserving. This thing is beautiful. All the moving parts on it. All the chrome detail. See if we can get in just a little closer for you guys here. Hopefully it's showing the details and everything. But this thing, wow. I mean, for the transporter alone is insane. And then, like, at the same time, to put something like this on here is just ridiculous. Come on, it's got the freaking engine opening parts again. And close that down. Just, I don't know, the weight. It's still got the fire extinguisher in the passenger seat. I don't know if you can see that from this angle, but it's all the little details, the seats, the seat belts, the roll cage is gold in this damn thing. Like, you see that in the back there? How it's shining, everything. I love it. This thing is probably, I don't know, it's hard. That Vancouver one is so nice. Like the engine detail. You guys tell me what one's your favorite so far. Because this, in all, like with the transporter and everything, is probably my favorite so far. But as far as just the 930s go, I don't know. This one on the outside, but that engine detail of that Vancouver Porsche, man. Like, let's see this. Like, come on, right? Like, I don't even know if I can get a little closer for you guys. Let's see here. Hopefully this is getting in on the right angle, but I mean, this thing. What? I mean, this thing is just awesome. Like, and I just can't describe it. Like, everything on it, the tires, the body kit, like every little rivet you see on it, and like the weight, man. The weight of this thing is just unreal. So hopefully, I just had to do a little close-up of this thing because it is phenomenal. I got to try to find that gold chrome 930. We got the 997 from the Tokyo Auto Salon, but at the same one, this HEC Hobby Expo China, they had well, one of these, but in green, and then there was like an 8% chance of a chase. So, man, I see them on sale for like $200 for the car, and I'm not paying that for, I mean, I got this whole set here for $80, if anyone wanted to know, so that's US dollars, but $80, it's still expensive, but if it's gold plated with the transporter, come on, like this thing though. Let's zoom out if we can. Put it all back on just for the end here. Let's see what we got going on. Oh, that was awesome. You got my little traveling display here. I can set this thing up anywhere. Sometimes in the basement, sometimes I'm in the kitchen, sometimes I'm outside. But let's see what we got going on. Sorry about this. As everyone knows, I kind of suck at shooting videos. And if you don't know, now you know, because you can see how shitty I am at this. But who cares about the video? You're all here just to kind of see this stuff, right? And I hope everyone who's trying to get one of these can get them. They're not, I mean, you can get them. They're rare? Not rare, I don't know. Elusive? You can still find them anywhere, whether you want to pay. Like, now I got a good deal on this. That's why if you saw the opening, I didn't know if I was going to be getting a brick of soap or a VHS cassette in there because it was so much cheaper than the rest. But I don't know. Hope you guys like this. Did a little close-up of it. If there's any details you guys want to see, I mean, I was thinking of even just weighing this one compared to another chrome one, seeing the weight difference of them, because there is a lot. And I'm just saying again, it's the end of the video. I know a lot of people don't watch the end of the videos. That's why I kind of do this. But we got the 28 subscriber. It's kind of a secret giveaway. You guys hit the subscribe, leave a comment. Then when it gets to 28 subscribers, we're going to do it's got some nice stuff. Like, trust me, I'm putting things together from little Walmart hauls and other cool things I get. So hit the subscribe, like, leave a comment if you want to see anything. If you want to see all of the different chrome ones laid out, let me know. But for now, hope you all love and life and have a fucking awesome day, guys. Alright, peace.